Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video we will discuss about the daemon. Basically, what is daemon? Daemon is a long running background process that always keep running and complete the request whatever it's received from system. Okay, and process is something different from the daemon. Process is an instances of an executable. For example, if you run any shell script or commands, so that's come under the processes. And daemon we denote by d. Let's say for example we have sssht, we have nfst, and we have nist and other related daemons. Okay, so before we start and explain the daemon, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you won't miss any of the notification. Let's begin. We have already session open. Okay, let's copy this one pipe, grab ssh related. Oh, so many, but we will only search daemon. So you can see sssht daemon, so that means it's related to daemon. Same like this, if we have nfst, okay, it's not running. And we have tcp dump, that's also not there. Okay, so similar like this, if you will list process, all the process in a system, we can see d. It's some names are daemon itself. GOA daemon, you can call it demon or daemon, any of these depends on your convenience. Cron D is for scheduling the jobs. Add D for that is also for scheduling the job. SSHD, Crony D. So there are so many daemons which always keep running in the background. You won't need to worry about it. Okay, so first of all you should know what are the functions. Basically, daemons by default they run when the system start and keep running till the system shut down or you manually add that particular daemon. Okay, so you should know the state of a daemon. First is check status, another is enable, next is disable, reload, mask and unmask. Basically these are the status of a daemon we have. Let's do one thing, clarify with the example. System ctl status sssht system. Okay, you can see keep running. So if I want to open another session, I think I need to see what are the user accounts are there. Student 2. Okay, so if you do student 2, okay, you can log in into the system. Let's say if you want to stop the SSH services, so you have to do stop, then daemon name which is sshd. Okay, so sorry, system ctl stop. Now let's try to take another session. Okay, you won't be able to take. Why? Because SSH services used to take the session, remote session, but now in this case I have already disabled it, so you won't be able to take the session of SSH. So you can see it's a inactive, dead. Okay, now let's start it. And try to take the session again. Okay, now we have session available. So we have already explained this check status, enable, disable and reload. What it's meaning by reload? Let's say okay, let's say you have a process running and the process it's a 2584. okay, now do systemctl stop sshd. okay, now check the status. This process is no longer available. okay, now start again, and you can say it's a new with the new id 2668. okay, I will let you know the difference now. Let's say if you want, you will do reload. What will happen? It will refresh the sss session, but it won't change the process id. It will keep it same. In the start and stop process, it will completely kill and start again, then that's why it's having new id. But in case of reload, it just only do the refresh and it don't change the process id. Here you can see the process id similar 2668 26668. okay, now let's move to the mask and unmask. Sometimes you believe like nobody should change accidentally any of the services, either start or stop. okay, so in that case we have option system ctl mask sshd. now let's start the services of sshd. as you can see, it's masked. That means we cannot, even though we want to start, but we cannot do. Let's do unmask and start the services. Now check the services. So it's running. okay, and one more difference I want to tell you between enable disable and start and stop. Enable disable, what happens? Let's say you have system ctl disable sshd. okay, and your services are already running. Now let's reboot the system, because once you do the disable, you won't be able to start your services after the reboot. Even after the reboot, the sshd service will be in disable state. okay, let's boot the system. Even though you will try to take ssh, it won't be. Let's see from the system console side. okay, now system is up. Try to take ssh session now. okay, you won't be able to take, connection refused. Let's log in inside the system. Zoom in. okay, check the services. System ctl status sshd. so you can see it's already disabled. So first you need to You can start it, and you can check the status. So it's running, but still the status is disabled. Okay, that means once your system will reboot, definitely you no longer will be able to access the services. You need to go to console and start the services like this way. So now let's not this happen again. System ctl enable sshd. Okay, let's try to access from here. Restart. Okay, now we are able to access the system. Clear the screen. So guys, this video will be very helpful for you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and till that time, thank you, take care, bye bye.